Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Polio Jr. and it's just a very quick video on how to switch out a jigsaw blade. It's very similar to switching out a sawzall blade, but I'll just show you really quick here. So, on typically every jigsaw, there's a little Allen wrench key that's somewhere on the side, so you can see it right here, and you can actually just pull it out. And it comes out like that. So you have your blade here, and obviously with this key, there's also another spot on the, on the bottom you can reposition the whole thing with a Phillips head, but in order to take out the actual blade, you need the correct size Allen wrench key. So let's see, which is at the top here. There's two holes. So what we do is we turn these counterclockwise. Do my best here with one hand. So we turn these two holes counterclockwise, which I'm doing right now. You don't have to take them out all the way. You just have to actually loosen them. So it's like a snug loose instead of a snug tight. From there, you should be able to pull out the blade like that. So let's say we wanted to put in a different blade, obviously. You see the little wheel heel, the wheel here. So the bottom part of these of the new blade will sit on that, and then it actually pushes in. It sits on the wheel, and then you push this metal piece up here on the actual where the two Allen wrench holes are. So now we just got to get the Allen wrench key again and just tighten her up. And this you would tighten it. Don't tighten it super tight, but just a little bit more than snug. It's like tightening. Sorry, this one hand crap. But it's like tightening a lug nut on your tire on your car. So it's the same principle. You always want to do it a little bit more than snug, but you don't want to do it to where it's stripping anything. And then that's it. So whether or not you have one that plugs in, or you have one like this that's battery powered, there we go, and we're good to go. So it's very simple. It's obviously a very simple process, and that's just how you switch out the blades. At the bottom is just how you would, like I said, you grab a Phillips head, and that's how you would move the base of the jigsaw in order to, move to however you need to position the jigsaw when you're cutting something. So, but yeah, just a very simple demonstration on how to change a jigsaw blade on a jigsaw. So that's it. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll keep repeating it. Once we hit 4,000 subscribers, there will be a new Amazon e-gift card giveaway. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.